Yes. The idea here is you have to. This is somehow known. Let's suppose 1 or 3. I don't know. 1, 2 units दिया हुआ है. ये चीज यहाँ fail हो जाएगा in place of your variables. And then you have something. Some expression is equal to 1. Some expression is equal to 2. And then you have to evaluate theta 1 and theta 2 from that expression. So getting my point? So this transformation matrix में ये जो position vector है ये कहाँ बैठा रहता है? यहाँ बैठा रहता है. QX QY QZ. So what does it mean? कि 0 से मेरा QX QY कहाँ है? That is how much it has translated QX, how much it has translated QY. Getting my point? How much it has translated QX, how much it has translated QY and QZ. So वो आपका translation यहाँ पे बैठा रहेगा. Getting? So now please fill this matrix and let me know. Tell me. What did you find? I'll give you 2 minutes, 3 minutes. Please do this exercise. Achha. So if somebody will ask, what is the orientation? So orientation would be given by this guy. But अभी orientation की बात नहीं करेंगे. Okay. बस position पहुंच रहा है इतना कर ले बहुत है हमारे लिए. तो position यहाँ से हमें दिखेगा. And then you find theta 1 and theta 2 for me. सॉफ्टवेयर में करना ठीक सॉफ्टवेयर में करो. एक आदमी सॉफ्टवेयर में करो, इस साइड वाले लोग इस साइड वाले. यस ठीक है. वहाँ पे क्या आएगा? दैट्स अ गुड क्वेश्चन. सो हमने क्या बोला था वहाँ पे? वेरी नाइस क्वेश्चन. This is essentially 0t1 times 1t2. So what Tanna is asking, what are the things you will fill here, and what are the things you will fill here. Okay. So while making this, we know. In the last class we have seen that my AI is sitting somewhere here in the matrix. The link length will be sitting somewhere here along with your twist and other things also joint. There is some, go and check the formula, individual formula. You will find, I mean individually if you find, you will get individually. So this, I cannot be that sure कि क्या exactly होगा, ऐसे कहना मुश्किल है. You have to find it out. Okay, one more additional information. This is the overall, but this can also be divided into the screw form. That is your TZ theta I and TZ DI. ठीक है? Screw form. And not only this, Tx AI and Tx alpha I, ये पूरा का पूरा मैट्रिक्स इंडिविजुअल होगा. You have to do it. You have to do it through scratch. Please do this. कल हम लोग एक्सरसाइज किए हैं. You can do this. I'll pause this. Pause for a while. We will make the DH table for more clarity. So DH table ही बना देते हैं. So link and so AI alpha I DI and theta I. Okay. So for link 1, AI is L1, link twist is 0. DI joint distance is 0 and theta is theta 1. Variable नहीं रखा. For link 2, L2 0 0 theta turns it. This is your DS table. Now based on this DS table you can make ना. Please make it. Please do this exercise. ये आपके ही भलाई के लिए. This will be with you forever. Once you do this exercise, robotics में आप जहाँ भी काम करने जा रहे हैं DH को वो आँख बंद करके. In case you are not confident at your own calculations, you can make use of software, the Robo Analyzer. So this alone will constitute these 4 matrices. This alone will constitute these 4 matrices. Okay. You multiply it all, you will get 0. So I'm writing the final matrix in case you guys are not comfortable. So you will get something like this. Cos theta 1 plus theta 2 minus sin theta 1 plus theta 2 0 sin theta 1 plus theta 2 cos theta 1 plus theta 2 0 0 0 1. And it makes sense that since things are pivoted at z axis, so this is actually 0. Yes, these are 0 0 0, and here you will get, in this place you will have, let me write this properly. So here you will have L1 cos of theta 1 plus L2 plus L2 cos of theta 1 plus theta. This is what you should ideally get. When you do this exercise throughout, you will get this. Okay, in the second row, you will get L1 sine of theta 1 plus L2 sine of theta 1 plus theta 2. And this is 0 here, this is 1. This is what you will get, ideally. And as stated, this guy sitting over here is nothing but my q of x, the final q of x. This guy sitting over here, that makes sense as well. This is my qy, and as a validation, 0 will come 0, and z translation will become 0 here. Now, so far I have not told anything about inverse kinematics. Now this question has been posed now. Now we will start inverse kinematics in order to find these theta values from now. यहाँ पे कितने लोगों का आ गया? हाँ, तो कर कीजिए. I'll wait because this is a good exercise in order to understand it better. Yes, that is also a good point. Take your time. सॉफ्टवेयर में करना तो मैथलेब में आप वैल्यूज रहेगा सेंस करके करते नहीं, बट मुझे थीटा में एक्सप्रेशन चाहिए क्योंकि थीटा ही तो जानना है. एक्सप्रेशन भी आ जाएगा. रोबो एनालिसिस में करते हैं. चलो what I've seen a trend here, आप लोग new generations are scared of hand calculations. In my PhD days, you won't believe, I used to write equations on A3 pages. A3 pages पे मैं equations लिखता था और उतने बड़े equations में solve करता था. You guys are, नहीं डरना नहीं है, यही life है. बड़ा equations बनाना तब आएगा कुछ बड़ा.
सर सर
चार मैट्रिक्स बनाइए, देखो चारों क्या क्या बनाइए ना। L1 Z में L1 नहीं होगा, X में होगा दोनों में, और L ऑलवेज लिंक लेंथ जो होता है along X होता है, along X ऑलवेज।
अच्छा
along X, that's all। L1 L2 यहीं पे होगा, है ना। बाकी सब सही है, मोस्टली सही। पाइवोटेड यहाँ Z पे है, पाइवोटेड Z पे है, पाइवोटेड Z ही रहेगा। Okay, let me try it in Robo Analyzer. But Robo Analyzer में हमें expressions wise नहीं दिखेगा, so it is not worth looking at, क्योंकि वो डायरेक्ट फॉरवर्ड काइनेमेटिक्स दिखा देगा. But when I solve this and find theta 1 and theta 2, then I can validate that theta 1 theta 2 in solve.
इसको हमें खुद ही करके
आप सही करना पड़ेगा. इनवर्स काइनेमेटिक्स यूजुअली एड हॉक बेसिस पे ही मैथमेटिकल कैलकुलेशंस करते हैं. इसका कोई बहुत ज़्यादा थंब रूल्स नहीं है, बट somehow some way or other way you have to find theta 1 based on these. Okay, suppose let me move forward because we are running short of time. Suppose we get this expression somehow. समय नहीं यार, हाँ आगे बढ़े. ये करना है तो बोलो. चलो आ जाएगा, to do it properly आ जाएगा. Okay, so I have these two informations. Qx is this guy and Qy is this guy. So starting from that point, let's move along. Let me rub this for a while. So now we are in a position to pose this problem as this is my Qx. Qx is L1 cos theta 1 plus L2 cos theta 1 plus theta 2. So essentially आपको एक्सप्रेशन जो आएगा cos theta 1 into cos theta 2 minus sin theta 1 into sin theta 2, कुछ एक्सप्रेशन आएगा this clubbed into this form, and Qx is L1 sin of theta 1 plus L2 sin of theta 1 plus theta 2. So this is like thank you. ये मिस्टेक्स मैं बहुत करता हूँ. Thank you for pointing that out. Okay, so how to do that? So now we will take help of usual trigonometry. और कुछ नहीं है हमारे पास. We'll go by trigonometry. So what I will do here is I will do a mathematical advantage of squaring these two, Qx square and Qy square, and let's see what happens. Can you do this for me? So L1 cos theta 1 square plus L2 cos theta 1 plus theta 2 square plus बचा हुआ है L1 sin theta 1 square L2 sin theta 1 plus theta 2 square. Okay, then L1 square cos square theta 1
square common ले cos square theta 1 plus
yes, very nice, very nice, very nice.
cos square theta plus sin theta.
हाँ cos square theta plus sin square theta ये 1 हो जाएगा. थीटा 1 है वो ध्यान देंगे, प्लस L2 स्क्वायर, ये भी 1 हो जाएगा, ये भी 1 हो जाएगा, so this goes to 1, this goes to 1. I'm not making some mistake. नहीं, मैं यहाँ कुछ मिस्टेक कर रहा हूँ. हाँ, बाकी के टर्म्स तो बचे हुए हैं ना, 2ab भाई. ओके, तो इसमें बचे हुए टर्म्स क्या हैं हमारे? नहीं, मैं मिस्टेक क्या कर रहा हूँ? सी, इसका होल स्क्वायर करना है. कमान, आप लोग ने बताया नहीं. सी, आई एम टेलिंग दैट qx स्क्वायर एंड qy स्क्वायर करना, राइट? हाँ, तो ये पार्ट मुझे यूट्यूब से हटाना पड़ेगा. Delete that part. That doesn't go well. Doesn't be expected with engineering faculties. Okay, so a square plus हाँ, so plus 2 times L1 L2 cos theta 1 times cos of theta 1 plus theta 2 plus 2 times L1 L2 sin of theta 1 times sin of theta 1 plus theta 2, and this is again, ठीक है, चलें, is equal to, तो क्या हो जाएगा? L1 स्क्वायर प्लस L2 स्क्वायर प्लस 2 L1 L2 कॉमन cos theta 1 cos theta 1 plus theta 2 plus sin theta 1 times sin of theta 1 plus theta 2. Oh wow, great. इस चीज को हम क्या लिख सकते हैं? Somebody? Cos of, very nice. Cos of theta 1 minus theta 2, and this goes, so it's essentially this comes to cos of theta 2 minus theta 2 will be theta 2. So I can write here qx square plus qy square is L1 square plus L2 square plus 2 L1 L2 cos of theta 2. Again, this is my qx square plus qy square. These are known. L1 L2 known. Theta 2 can be found out. So cos of theta 2 is nothing but cos of inverse qx square plus qy square minus L1 square minus L2 square divided by 2 L1 L2. Yes, this is one. And if you find it, cos of inverse function का जो जनरल सॉल्यूशन है, it will have n pi plus these things, generic solution, and that is why you will get 2 solutions. इसका एक ही सॉल्यूशन नहीं है. cos inverse something would give raise to theta n pi plus theta, n pi plus minus theta, if you check the general solution. So we will get lots of solutions. The feasible solutions you have to take care, because it cannot rotate those many times. So feasible solution will look. So what feasible solution will come here is theta 2 का एक ऐसा एंगल भी होगा, और it can also reach this place by having this configuration. If I am not wrong, the same position it can reach using this. So this time you will have this one as your theta 1 dash and this one as your theta 2 dash. So there are 2 solutions, theta 1 and theta 1 dash, theta 2 and theta 2 dash. बेस्ड ऑन these two configuration it will reach. अभी ये हम लोग रोबो एनालिसिस से हम लोग सॉल्व करेंगे थीटा 1 थीटा 2 एक्जेक्टली क्या है. सो वन थिंग इज गुड सो फार. ठीक है. कैन आई रब दिस अगेन? अच्छा, नाउ व्हाट इज थीटा 2 इज फाउंड आउट. व्हाट अबाउट थीटा 1? हाउ टू फाइंड थीटा 1? थीटा 2 आ गया. करके देखिए. बट देयर इज, हाँ ये भी कर सकते. बट ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक वैल्यूज वेरी हार्ड टू सॉल्व. मुश्किल है. तो इसके लिए हम लोग ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक कुछ आइडेंटिटी यूज करेंगे. लेट मी टेल यू हाउ. लेट मी रब दिस. एक तो आ गया हमारे पास. दिस इज गुड टू गो. सेकेंड थिंग इज write this qx as cos theta 1 okay. Let me expand this and write L1 cos theta 1 plus L2 cos theta 1 times cos theta 2 minus L2 sin theta 1 times sin theta 2. यहाँ पे किसी को दिक्कत नहीं होना चाहिए. This is nothing but my q of x. Can I write this, rewrite this as cos theta 1 L1 plus L2 cos theta 2 plus sin theta 1 times, और माइनस रखा हुआ यहाँ पे. लेट्स डू दिस. L2 sin theta 2. I'll make use of some trigonometric identity. I'll assume that this guy sitting over here is rho times sine of psi something. This guy sitting over here is rho times cos of psi for the time being. So मैंने क्या assume किया? So assume L1 plus L2 cos theta 2. This is hectic to solve actually. Inverse kinetics. Is you assume that this is rho times sin psi and rho times cos phi. You take as L2 sin theta 2. Okay, now can I write? There is a purpose doing that, and why it will be evident now. Cos of theta 1, rho यहाँ पे बाहर, sin of psi minus rho times sin of theta 1 cos of psi, rho times sin of theta 1 minus psi, और psi minus theta 1, हाँ psi minus theta 1. क्यों? क्योंकि sin यहाँ पे sin theta, sin A cos B, cos A sin B, so sin A minus B. So this is what your qx. So where अभी यहाँ पे क्या करेंगे? तो यहाँ पे हम रो फाइंड. So this theta is what? This theta is what? Theta 1, right? हाँ हाँ ठीक है. Then I can use something else again. I have to divide this and tell, while dividing you will get tan of psi is equal to L1 plus L2 cos of theta 2 divided by L2 sin of theta 2. So psi is nothing but tan inverse this guy L1 plus L2 cos theta 2 divided by L2 sin theta 2. So phi function मिल गया. Phi I can tell that phi will be sitting here. Okay, and phi is solely a function of theta 2, L1 and L2 which are already known. That is why I can do this. So theta 2 is known right now क्योंकि मैंने स्क्वायर करके ऑलरेडी